Hello guys, remember this car wash? Remember when I came here last time and this money machine never accepted my card? Like, it didn't even work. Like, I would put it in and wouldn't even read it. It says exact change only, so which means this car wash only takes cash. Remember this car wash menu? That's right, I'm getting the $8 car wash. I just got back from El Paso and the car is dirty. I want to put the camcorder here and I'm going to pay for my car wash now in cash. Many of you have requested this car wash and I am finally getting it for you guys. It is a vintage Autec, so I can see why you've requested it. Alright, here we go. A vintage Autec. This is the Mission Valley car wash. Here we go. Did that, has the old traffic light. Getting all that middle of nowhere dirt off. And you can see the top right there. Autec Soft Touch Car Wash. Holy cow, this car wash is really shaking the car big time. Looks like it's doing another layer of that. Wow, it's all colorful. The second layer, that's cool. Oh, the second layer smells so good. Doing spot fragrance now. Look at all that soap. We're gonna go to the dryers now. You can see there are two old Autec dryers on the side, and there's one modern superior dryer in the middle. Here we go. There you have it, Mission Valley Car Wash. Thank you all for watching. I took your request, and hope you enjoyed this, and that'll be it.